Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best door security bars that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Ideal Security SK110 Patio Door Security Bar. The Ideal Security SK110 Patio Door Security Bar is very safe to use as it not only offers you security from outside but also safe for the kids inside the house as it consists of the child anti-lift lock. It easily fits your door without stress as is adjustable from 25.75 to 47.5 inches by merely sliding. Installing and no tools used for the same is easy. It comes with an installation video to help in the process. It is hard to detect by the intruders with evil intentions as it acts as a visual deterrent. It's mountable at the middle of the door which makes it easy to open without having to bend down to reach for it. At number 4. Master Lock 265D Door Security Bar. The Master Lock 265D Door Security Bar design helps avoid forceful entry. It is easily adjustable to provide security to the maximum depending on the level of your door's handle. The pivoting jammer plays a significant role in ensuring full contact with the floor. It is padded which provides that there is a firm grip with the floor and this happens without scratching it. Durable construction is observed with this door security bar as the bar has a 20-gauge steel construction. The construction makes it very strong and sturdy to serve its purpose effectively. It is favorable for all the standard and sliding doors as well. At number 3. Brinks 675-83001 Commercial Door Security Bar. The Brinks 675-83001 Commercial Door Security Bar has a very durable construction of 20 heavy-duty steel tube. It has a swivel base to allow it to serve its purpose efficiently. The bottom is rubbered to prevent it from slipping and as a result, fail to offer security as required. You can be able to adjust this door security bar to the desired level to fit your door efficiently. Installation requires no tools, thus it is effortless to operate. It is robust and sturdy which makes it withstand heavy kicks on the door to prevent people from breaking in. At number 2. Wedgit Door Security Bar. Wedgit Door Security Bar is the easiest to use and operate as it does not require the use of any tool. The product helps in keeping you alert of who is coming to your door as well as preventing people from breaking in or access your valuables with much ease. It also helps in monitoring the kids from getting outside without your permission. It accommodates pressure amounting to 450 pounds, thus it is powerful. It stays safe when not in use by swinging down out of the way. It has a solid construction that plays a significant role in ensuring that it does its work effectively. At number 1. Noopel Home Security Door Security Bars. The Noopel Home Security Door Security Bars provide ample security with the help of the sensed alarm when someone tries to open either the door or the window. The 120 decibels sensor alarm facilitates in this whole process. It is useful for both at home and in the offices. At home, the kids cannot go out alone without permission which ensures they are under adequate supervision. It is adjustable into 2 different levels and uses a battery for power. It is easy to install as it does not require tools like the screws to fix them. You can check the battery life through the indicator to determine the amount of time it will serve you. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.